Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change the front grille on the Nissan Altima. Doesn't matter if it's 2019 or 2022 or whatever it be, it's going to be the same procedure as long as it look like this. So guys, what we need to do is remove these clips right here. All these clips that's touching here. Have a clip puller, link will be in the description for this. So you just want to get in the grooves and it's going to come right up. I don't think these two I think you should leave these two in it, and maybe this one, not sure, but maybe that one too, but let's see. So yeah, let's leave those two in it.
That's the big paper.
Alright, then we'll leave these two. It's gonna come right up. So guys, we have two more clips. We have one right here, one right there. Same procedure. You can use a flathead screwdriver. You don't necessarily need a clip puller. So whichever one you have works. Alright, so the top part getting ready to come off. So now we gotta go to the side of the vehicle, and this one needs some tires bad. Look like racing slicks. So now what we gotta do is remove that 10mm right there. You can see that right there, 10mm. So guys, I have the car on the lift, but you don't really need to lift it up. Pry that out just like that. So I'm gonna lift it up some more because I gotta get underneath, but you guys don't really need to lift it up. You can work on it just like that. So now guys, the same thing I did on that side is the same thing I did with the 10mm right here. Pry that out. And you can see it's coming, so we're gonna lift the car up. You guys don't have to lift it up, but when I lift it up, you will see what exactly I did under there. So on here we have some 10mm. So just chase the bumper around. Anything touching the bumper, this look like trouble right here. Anything touching the bumper, that's what you're gonna take off. Missing some clips. So guys, after that, just take out the clips. Same thing as I'll show you how to do it at the top. Same design. Alright guys, so we remove everything that's touching the bumper. Chase it around, make sure everything that's touching the bumper is gone. So now I think we are ready to take the bumper off, but we gotta disconnect the fog lamp on the turn signal, and same thing on this side. So we're gonna lower the vehicle down and get to that part. So guys, let's pull this off. So now you can see the wires back there. So squeeze this, unplug that. Same thing for this one. Feel like that plug is a little bit different. So guys, this is the plug. This is what the plug look like. You want to get something and pry up this side to get to the plug. So I'm gonna squeeze this right here. So guys, if you look right here, this sensor is, I don't know, but the bracket is messed up. So what I'm gonna do first is change the bracket and see if that helps, because that's gonna throw a code. So guys, if you want to take out this clip, you can push this down like that and push back on it, and the clip's gonna come out. But because my grill is damaged, no sense saving the clips, so I'll just cut them off like this.
God damn, this thing up organized.
And also guys, we gotta remove these 2 screws on this side and 2 on this side over here. Alright guys, so we have the new grill. We're just gonna line up all the holes and just send it on. So now it's in. We gotta get the clips just to lock it back in, and then we're gonna get the screws to put the screws back in right here and the clips in right there. So you don't have to over tighten it, just tighten it up and snug it up and catch all 4 just like that. So guys, on the grill, you're gonna have a Phillips screw that goes right here that I already removed. Then you're gonna have 3 clips that hold the grill in. So just like I was showing you that hold this big grill, these clip right here, same thing. You gotta push this down like this, push it out, and do it for all 3. And once you remove that Phillips screw, it's gonna come right out just like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert it into the new one and put the screw in, so you will see that process as well. Alright, so guys, you want to basically line up the 3 and it's gonna go in. Then you're gonna put the Phillips screw right there. So guys, that's good. You want to get your clip for your tow hook right here, and just go ahead and lock it in right here. So your tow cover, I should say, not clip. So guys, this is where we at. As you can see, I changed the bracket because my bracket was all smashed up. So if you're smashed up, just go ahead and change the bracket. It's not that hard. And also the legs on here was broken, so I also changed the legs on the radar. This radar is what responsible for your adaptive cruise control. So if you press the brake, so if you set the cruise control and you let and it take a car in front of you, it's going to brake. It's also responsible for your forward collision braking and also warning as well. So with that said, everything seems good. I'm gonna bring the bumper closer to the car and we're gonna install it. So just like that. What we're gonna do now is plug in our cruise control, not a cruise control, our fog lamp on our turn signal. So that's what we're gonna do next. So guys, right here we're gonna plug in our fog lamp. There you go. There you go. So we have that connected, and what I did, I put a clip there so the bumper don't fall off. We can go ahead and lock this side of the bumper. You can lock in this side of the bumper. So guys, you can see now that that we set this side of the bumper, and we have to lift up the car to fix the other side. But yeah guys, that's what we gotta do. You get the drift. We gotta do the same thing to the other side over there. Hey YouTube, so everything is all back together, nice and tight. Underneath is good. So with this said, let's go ahead and get started on the car. Let's go ahead and drive it, make sure everything is good. Okay. But peace out guys, see you next time. That's how you replace your front grille.